Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark on vid.io. Removing a watermark on vid.io typically requires a paid plan. This one, a pro or business. However, there are a few steps that you can take to remove the watermark if you have access to the necessary features. And this is how you can do it. First, you can remove watermark with vid.io Pro or Business Plan. So if you're using a vid.io Pro or Business Plan, you can just follow the steps. Just log in to your vid.io and open your projects. And once your video uploaded or edited, you can click on the export button or tap on done in here. And on the export settings in here, under here there are watermark sections, so there should be an option to remove the vid.io watermark like this. You can just simply click on this options, and then this will pop up, and you can just choose the options to remove the watermark. You can choose your plan, and you can just complete your export, and the watermark will be removed from the video. The second one, you can also use remove watermark using the free versions. So if you're using the free versions and want to avoid the watermark, you have a couple of options. You can crop the watermark out of the video by resizing the frame. However, this may cut out parts of the video you don't want to lose. For example, here, when I crop it, the face or the head will be cropped also, so that's not nice. And you can also overlay another element. You can cover the watermark with another element like text, logo, or blur effect. And you can add an overlay by using a solid color, text box, or another image to mask the watermark. And you can also use a third-party tool. There are some third-party video editors that may allow you to remove watermarks by cropping, blurring, or masking the watermark. However, this can be time-consuming, and it's often a better idea to upgrade to a paid plan if watermark remover is crucial. Or you can also download and just use a different video editing tool. If you are unable to remove the watermark, you can consider using a different video editor like Film Express or DaVinci Resolve, both of which are free and offer more advanced editing tools. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.